I am going to tell you about the function of cells in plants. The plant is eukaryotic, means they have a defined nucleus and bound membrane organelles. The plant contains chloroplast, which are organelles which form photosynthesis.
Delightful morning, everyone. I am Ananya and I tell about orbital machines. Orbital machines. Right now, thousands of satellites circle and Earth at incredible speeds, yet they never fall down or drift away. The service that makes this possible is called orbital machines. Orbital machines is the branch of physics that explain how objects move in space with the influence of gravity. It was first mathematical explained by the great scientist John Kepler in 1600, and through his three laws of planetary motion. Later, Sir explained this knowledge with his law universal gravitation, explaining how gravity and motion work together to keep objects in orbit. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here today. I am standing before you to tell you about the metals. Firstly, metals are the substances that are luster, malleable, ductile, sonorous, and good conductor of heat and electricity. Some examples of metals are gold, silver, iron, copper, and etc. Luster. Luster means that a shiny in appearance. Malleable means the substances that can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductile means that substance can be drawn into a thin wire. Sonorous means that a substance can produce a ringing sound when hit by a hard object. Some uses of metals in our daily life are: we wear jewelries which are made up of metals like iron, gold, silver, and etc. In construction, we use the metals like steel and iron for the structural support. We cook food in the cooking utensils, which are also made up of metals. Disadvantages of metals are: most of the metal are expensive. Metal cause corrosion. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Air pollution and water pollution is very harmful for us and our environment. So, I are from grade 8. Today my topic is water pollution and air pollution. Air pollution is caused by harmful bacteria substances releases into the atmosphere, such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Air pollution can cause respiratory problems and damage of ozone layer. Example of air pollution are vehicles, factories, fossil fuels, etc. Whereas water pollution occurs when the harmful substances contaminate in the water bodies such as river, lakes, oceans, etc. It causes diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. It also affects on aquatic life and unsafe of our drinking water. Thank you and have a joy.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I am Bhavka from grade 8. Today I am here to tell about friction. So first of all, what is friction? The resistive force acting between two bodies that are in contact and that opposes the motion is called friction. And how would it found in nature? There are some examples like between our feet, ground animals as they climb, and even our earth moving plates. And what are the advantages? Like it helps us to in moving, enable writing and stop motion. It helps us to stay stable and move safely. Thus friction is a friend and a foe because it helps us in our daily life and it also causes wear and tear. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. Today I meet to tell you about properties and uses of nylon. Properties of nylon. It is thermoplastic in nature. It is stronger than steel by Now uses of nylon. It is used for making saris and shirts, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning, everyone. I Ishan. Today I am here to speak some lines on natural resource. But firstly, what are natural resources? The resources that are given from nature for human beneficial use is called natural resource. Secondly, types of natural resource. There are two types of natural resource. First, renewable natural resource. They are renewed in a short period of time. Is the example water and air. Secondly, non-renewable natural resources. These resources are not renewed if once it is used. Example mineral oil and coal, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. My name is Ekamjot Singh and my topic is air pollution and water pollution. Air pollution is caused by various dangerous and harmful substances in air like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Air pollution is can caused by vehicles, whereas water pollution is caused by the harmful plastic that we throw in the river or ocean, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Kunal Akshay. Today I will present to the traditional method of irrigation. Traditional method of irrigation less effective but cheaper than modern methods. Some of these methods are pooling system such as chain pump, Rahat and Dheli. Nowadays, traditional methods have been replaced by pumps that need electricity or diesel to function. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. Me Manjeet standing before you to speak some lines on electrical currents. Electrical currents are also known as emerge and is measured by using the device known as ammeter. Electrical currents create magnetic field which are used in making some machines like motors, indicators and generators, transformers, etc. In ordinary conductors, by passing electricity, they create heats used in heaters and create light which is used in making light bulbs. Electrical currents is linked with nature. It is we extracted it from the thundering storms and lightning. From it causes electrical magnetic field in which Earth have electrical magnetic field because of its rotation and the molten iron and nickel in the core. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I am Lal from grade 8 today. I am here to tell you about fuels. Fuels are the material used to generate energy in various purposes. The Industrial Revolution was never possible without the use of fuels. Too much usage of fuels leads to pollution and other ecological threats like global warming. Fuels are the driving force of human civilization since its inception. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning to one and all present here. I Purvi from grade 8 here to speak on the topic of sound. Sound is a form of energy produced by vibrating objects. These vibrating objects travel through a medium of air, solids and liquids.
One and present here. I am Sajbir Upgrade. Today I am telling about the advantage and disadvantages of the fertilizer. Advantage of the fertilizer: they are easy to store. They require in soil in less quantity. Disadvantage of the fertilizer: they are expensive and they break the pH level of the soil. Thank you.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I am Harmita from grade 8. Today I am tell about force and friction. Force is a push-pull system. Friction that opposes into two relative motion is called friction. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sajjan from grade 8. Today I am here to tell you about synthetic fibers and plastic. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers created through the chemical processes. Other side, natural fibers are made from plants and animals. Plastics also are synthetic material made from polyester, which are large molecules composed of repeating smaller units called monomer. Examples of synthetic fibers are include nylon, polyester and acrylic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to everyone. Today we will be exploring how science plays a huge role in our everyday lives. Science is all around us, making things work smoothly. So today I Satnam will let you dive in one aspect of science, that is friction. And let's see how it impacts in our everyday lives. Friction is a force you feel every day. It happens when two things rub together. Imagine walking on a slippery floor without friction. You would slip and fall. But on a normal floor, friction helps you to stay steady. Friction is the most important source in our life. It helps you to stay steady. It helps vehicles like cars to stop safely when brakes are applied. And even holding a pencil or pen to write needs friction. So without frictions, things would be really hard to control. Friction can be challenged sometimes. Too much friction can cause tear and wear. But with science, we can figure out many ways to reduce and use it wisely. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Good morning to one and all present here. I will Kiran from grade 8. Today I will be describing force. Force is a push or pull. Types of forces are contact forces. Thank you.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I Yuvraj. I am here to introduce about synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical process. As they are made by human beings, synthetic fibers are also called human-made fibers. Before synthetic fibers were manufactured, fibers were obtained from plant and animal sources, which called natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from cellulose, which comes from plants and called cellulose fibers. Sir Joseph Swan invented the first synthetic fiber in 1880s. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I, Vanya from grade 8 is standing before you with a heart full of confidence to speak on the topic of atmospheric pressure. Firstly, when I saw someone flipping the glass filled with water and a card under it, I was surprised and I thought it was just a magic. But when I tried it at home, I filled a glass on the top with water and put a stiff card on it, and when I flipped it, I was surprised that the water does not take its place off. It stayed at its place. The benefits of atmospheric pressure is it helps us to breathe, it supports life on earth, it keeps water at liquid state at room temperature. It is the main cause of weather composition. Also, when we drink something from straw, atmospheric pressure only helps to push the liquid up into your mouth. So that invisible force of wind, which we don't feel, which we feel very light, its pressure is more powerful and its strength is very much, which we can't feel, and which we feel is very less. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. My name is Prabhu Singh. Today my topic is flora and fauna. The plants found in region called flora. The flora depend on the climatic condition on the region. Animal found in region are called fauna. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. I am Harshdeep. Today I am here to speak about a few words on the modern methods of irrigation. Number first, sprinkler system. In this system, water is equally distributed to all the plants. It is very good in the areas having unequal distribution of water. Number second, drip irrigation. In this system, the water is provided to the roots of the plants drop by drop. It is best method for irrigating gardens, trees and fruit plants. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. My name is Gurshidak. I am studying in grade 8. Today I am prepare science mind activity. Traditional methods are of irrigation and traditional methods are
traditional methods do not take so much time, and old methods are take so much time. And old methods name is Dekhli Rahat and etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I, Gurkira, standing here to tell about what is rayon and its property. It is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. Rayon resembles silk in appearance, texture and shine, hence it is also called artificial silk. Rayon is prepared from cellulose that is broken and then reformed, is also called regenerated fiber. It is cheaper than natural silk. Properties of rayon are: it burns at a high temperature with the smell of burning paper but does not melt. It has a soft silky touch and drips well. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I, Chinmay, today I will tell you about natural resources. The resources that are obtained from nature and are gift from nature are called natural resources. These are useful for humans, like land for building houses and water for drinking. There are two types of resources: renewable resources. The resources that are renewed in short period of time are called renewable resources. For example, water, air. Non-renewable resources. The resources that cannot be renewed in short period of time are called non-renewable resources. For example, mineral oil, fossil fuels. Thank you and have a nice day.
Blissful morning everyone. Today I, Anshit Kaur, is confidently standing before you to speak on the topic solar sails. Imagine a spacecraft but not with roaring engines and heavy fuel tanks. Instead, picture a vast gleaming sail, silently stretched out in the darkness of sunlight, silently gleaming forward, pushed only by the sunlight. It's not a scene from a scientific movie. It's a real technology called solar sailing. Solar sailing works on a beautiful principle of physics. Light carries momentum. Light is made up of tiny particles called photons, and when photons reflect, sail, they bounce, and that bounce gives a tiny push. This push is extremely small, but in the fictionless vacuum of space. Over the time, spacecraft can even reach the speed that cannot even chemical rockets can match. Now, benefits of solar sailing are no fuel needed, this is long-lasting and lightweight. In the future, the solar sails can even help the robotic explorers to study the asteroids, also to a message to the astronauts living on Mars. So now, this solar sails is even clever than the technology. It's a form of exploration from where, so with the help of this, we can even cross the cosmic ocean one day. Thank you and have a blissful day ahead.
Let's start.
Delightful morning everyone. My name is Agamjot from grade 8. Today's my topic is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are obtained by chemical processes as they are made by human beings. Synthetic fibers are also called human-made fibers. Before synthetic fibers were manufactured, fibers were obtained from plant and animal sources, also called natural fibers. Natural fibers obtained from cellulose, which comes from plants, are called cellulose fibers. Sir Joseph Swan invented the first synthetic fiber in the 1880s. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Aryan. My topic is main crop and grains is part of India. Rice and wheat. Thank you.